New V2 model features 3 color temperature options. Quickly switch from warm to white to cool ultra-high quality color matching light. Impact resistant, IP65 water and dust proof, and easily removable and cleanable lens. Collapsible 360-degree rotating hook and 180-degree folding magnetic base. Color temperature, 2700K divided by 4500K divided by 6000K, hold power button to switch. Battery life, 24HRS. Never compromised on quality, fully equipped with state-of-the-art technology designed with the user optimal experience in mind. International Renown, constantly modernizing powerful devices to meet the demands of the modern user. Top reviews from the United States. Take your detailing to the next level. Quality product at great price. If you do detailing or paintwork, this light is your new BFF. Those scratches, swirls, hazing, etc. that previously showed up only under ideal lighting conditions are easily spotted on both light and dark vehicles. I had previously used a colleague's scan grip, which is an excellent light but crazy expensive. This is every bit as good at half the cost. There are slightly cheaper Chinesium units, but this one is a known and trusted brand at equivalent price point.